Bharatiya Bhasha Diwas. I just want to say why Bharatiya's birthday was taken as the moment to celebrate this one. He was a person who knows more than 21 languages. He could effectively communicate, he could effectively handle at least 10 languages of India and outside. That's the reason why we chose language being the first outpost or the first explicant of a culture. He was a person who was interested in the cultures of India, different cultures of India. Not forgetting that he was a prominent national leader, also a person against casteism, with multiple talents. But this is the reason why there are so many people who were into national politics, who were against casteism, but his name was taken. A person who was born in a remote place in Madras province of British India. Why he was chosen as the icon of National Language Day? The reason is this: he was a polyglot. He could learn and understand many languages. He could speak. He could write many languages, French, German, including. That's the reason exactly why his name was chosen. He was chosen as the icon for National Language Day. Also, I'm a literature student as well. He is a person who introduced free words into modern poetry. Many of you might not know what it is, and the poems we write nowadays in Facebook, Twitter, and all, it's out of strong poetry hold. We could write anything we want. Its inception is from Bharatiya in South as well as in Eastern literature, including Bengali and Odia. He is the one who introduced free verse. So if you forget everything, remember this: Bharatiya was a person who could speak many languages. That's why we chose him as the icon for National Languages Day. Thank you.